Let's help welcome my mentor and our friend, Richard Robin.
Every day we wake up, and every single day we have an opportunity to build our future. And everything that we do today is in the creation of our future. We got to right now focus on what it is we want to build. So everything we're talking about are things that you can use in the new market, because the market has changed, there's no question.
In reality, excellent customer service is a result of systems, standards, and processes. It's every team member's responsibility.
When they meet somebody, they're always thinking about what's in it for me. Don't even think that. It doesn't matter. You think about what's in it for them.
Okay, how do we get referrals? Well, we said it's tied to the experience. Here's an example of some things that we do, and we've divided them into the before stage, the during stage, and the after stage.
If you have certain disciplines in your day or in your week, it will allow you to have an awful lot more freedom in your life.
Are experiencing challenging markets. My biggest piece of advice when it comes to this is tell them the truth.
Our job is to expand our thinking. So if you can help your clients expand their thinking, greater opportunities are able to be considered.
It's just so important to get in a room full of like-minded people.
You know, it's nonstop support, open arms, and a community of absolute sharing.
Really energized me. I was within 10 minutes yesterday morning. I was just so glad I was here.
Everybody who was a part was sharing passionate things about their business that took me kind of in a different thought process that I wouldn't have had I not joined.
It's an absolute blessing, and I'll be here next year and the year after that.
At the end of the day, it's the moments that we have with the people around us. And I think fundamentally at the core of our value in this room are the human relationships.
We look at it and say, listen, let's go out and do something really cool in the world. Let's build a life that we love. Let's build a business that will fully support, right, the life that we want to have. Why not? And remember, everybody, at the end of the day, it's a beautiful life. Make it count. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all for being here. Thank you.